Hey everyone, welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today I'm going to share a very delicious and easy beef steak recipe. With a few simple ingredients, you can easily make this steak at home. The beef will turn out incredibly tender and juicy, while the onions will be soft, sweet, and full of flavors. I will show you a very simple and easy method to cook this dish. We need 300 grams of beef. Cut the beef into thin slices. Two medium-sized onion. Cut the onion into circle slices. In a pan, add 3 tablespoons oil and fry the onion. Fry for 2 minutes. It's done. Now add the beef. Stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Five tablespoons of soy sauce. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Half teaspoon black pepper. Add the onion. Well done. Serve hot with rice noodles or bread. It's perfect for festival, family gatherings, or even when you are short on time but still want to make something special and impressive. If you have enjoyed this recipe, please share it with your friends and family. I'll see you again soon with another delicious recipe. Until then, goodbye.